If you don't have the correct exfoliation and cleansing strategy going on when you're using powerful cosmetic ingredients on your skin, then you're putting your skin at risk of getting like congestion or like little pimples or drying out or just causing problems. So I'm just going to quickly run through Homepeel's enzyme cleansing kit. So we have our Enzyme Gel Cleanser, which has got really powerful enzymatic compounds in it that chomp away dead skin cells. So rather than stripping them all the time, too much stripping can break your skin's barrier and cause a lot of problems. So we have this beautiful enzymatic gel cleanser. You can use it twice a day, and then it comes with also the exfoliating crystals. So this is this very fine powder. So I'm just going to show it to you here. It's vitamin C, malic acid, it has rice powder in it. So see how thin it is? If you use an exfoliator that has really big particles, you're creating micro tears in your skin. I'm still amazed that so many exfoliators have those massive big particles. They need to be fine. It needs to be like a polish. So that's my tip for today. I'm Jodie from Homepeel. I do all my videos without any makeup or filters. I'm 50, skincare is my passion. And if you have any further questions, please find us at homepeel.com.au, and you can see more about our cosmeceutical grade natural skincare products. Have a great day.